Now in this video we will discuss about the lock and unlock. So if we create something like this, and if we type something here, and then okay, now I can move this layer, I can move this layer, but if we go to object and lock selection, so this selection has been locked. Now this will not move and this will still move. So if you want to unlock, so select unlock, alt plus control plus 2, and now you can move also this one. If you select both of them, just press control plus 2. Control plus 2 is the keyboard shortcut key. You can see now it's not moving, and control plus alt plus 2 is the keyboard shortcut key to unlock. So now we have unlocked and we can move. So lock and unlock you can see under the object option in the menu. Thank you very much for watching this video.